Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this quick video, we are going to see how you can add a friend on Snapchat. If you have opened the Snapchat and you just want to add a new friend for whatever reason, for example, it's already in your contact or it's your friend, but you are not able to find it because you have created a new Snapchat account. So how we can add that friend and chat with them? Let's see. So just make sure that you have already signed into the Snapchat account. On the left, I can see the profile icon, right? So I have already set up. Let's go to the chats from the bottom and now click on this person icon on the top right corner. Just after three dots, it is this one. Now from here, you can add the friend. How will we add the friend now? If it is already in your contact, it will be shown from your contacts. You can click on all contact and then you should be able to find them. You can also send them invite like this. And what we can also do is just click on invite your friends and click on copy link and then send them on WhatsApp just like that. So when they click on it, they should be able to accept your friend request. But the most quickest method, if you don't want to send the friend request and you directly want to add that person, how we can do that? Just ask them the username on WhatsApp. So username is a unique number or a name combination. So you can just simply write that. For example, here I remember that, or I have asked my friend to send me. So here is the username and you can directly find your friend here. Just click on add now. And now the other person will receive that this person wants to be your friend. Once he opens that, he must accept that. And then you will be friends. Otherwise, you will only be on the follow state. Means you are just following that person. It's not your friend yet. Once they accept your friend request, then you are friends. So as we can see, the other person has added back us and now we are friends. It's that simple. Once we go in the chat here, as we can see here that the person is now added on the top as a friend. Now you can send the text to your friend just like that. And this is how you can add new friends on Snapchat. You can also do it from your contacts, but this is how the quickest method works. Just ask them the username and then you should be able to add them. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.